Anti-snoring. Snoring deprives you from having a good night's sleep. But not only that, you and quite likely the person close to you will wake up exhausted, feeling slow and irritable throughout the day. Snoring happens due to the partial closure of the airway while sleeping. The muscles in the neck relax, and for some people, the soft tissue in the upper throat vibrates, which makes the sound we know as snoring. This lack of oxygen can have significant effects in your brain function and body. Sometimes snorers stop snoring, stop breathing, and undergo what is called sleep apnea. This is caused by the airway shutting entirely during sleep, which stops snorers from breathing. This disorder is called obstructive sleep apnea, which can have significant effects on your health. The solution to this problem is to have a custom-made anti-snoring mouthpiece to eliminate the sounds of snoring. Our dentists have been trained to provide this treatment successfully for many years. There are different types of mouth guards available that help lower your jaw slightly forward to prevent the soft throat tissues from collapsing during sleep and obstructing the airway. Studies have shown that the loss of sleep caused by snoring has wide-ranging consequences, such as daytime sleepiness, lack of energy, poor motivation, accidents related to driving while tired, higher stress levels due to fatigue. Your snoring could be a sign of a more serious medical condition. There are links to snoring aggravating or inducing diabetes, high blood pressure, and Alzheimer's disease. So give us a call today to have a complete assessment regarding your problem. We can help you find the best solution.